News 3 takes a first-hand look at the new West Las Vegas Valley, what new features you can find. This is at the library that is in the West Vegas Valley. We'll show you more about this new facility. The Library District hosted a guided media tour of the new West Las Vegas Library in the historic West Side, and News 3 was able to go on a guided tour of that new facility. It is state-of-the-art. It actually meets the needs of the culturally diverse community. The newest Las Vegas Library is more than doubling its current size. The new location, located near MLK in Lake Mead, will include an exterior-led video wall, art gallery, podcast and multimedia studio, teen zone, and more.
The reason we needed to move from that current location was lots of reasons. I mean, a 21st century library as opposed to a traditional library, like if you go to our Sahara West library per se, you know, an older library has mostly shelving. A new 21st century library is all about classrooms and maker spaces and multi-purpose rooms and the rooms that you need to create educational opportunities, and that's what you'll see here.
The new West Las Vegas Library will open its doors to the public on December 9th with an all-day celebration, including music, art activations, live performances, and more.